Hey, what's up guys, I'm here back again with a new video, and today Apple has released a software update for Macs with Big Sur, and the update is macOS Big Sur 11.1, and it has also got some update for command line tools for Xcode 12.3. So I just thought I would make a video and tell you guys what all is exactly being updated in this macOS Big Sur 11.1 update. So starting with AirPods Max, there is the support for AirPods Max now with all its new features like high fidelity audio, enriched sound, adaptive EQ, active noise cancellation, transparency mode, special audio and dynamic range, and all of that. Then there is the update for Apple TV, and the Apple TV tab makes it easy to discover on all of these things, enhanced search, top search results and all of the stuff. Then there is the news for Apple News, the update for Apple News. Now Apple News widgets are now available in notification center, but this thing is just for some countries. India is not available in the Apple News yet. Okay, moving on, we have the App Store update, new privacy information section on App Store pages that includes a developer friendly report summary of app privacy practices. So this is a nice feature which will allow us to get a look into the privacy features of the app. And in-game dashboards with Apple Arcade games recommends new arcade games to play. Okay, fine, that's new. Then coming on ahead, there is the iPhone and iPad apps on M1 Max. Okay, new window options for iPhone and iPad apps let you switch between landscape and portrait orientations or expand a window to fill the entire screen. This is the main update. This is the most awaiting feature I was awaiting for since I've got the M1 Mac, and now we are able to switch the windows to landscape, portrait. We can play the games in the full screen and all. So that's a really nice feature we are getting on this update, which is about 3.27 gigabyte. We'll talk about that later in the video. And once I download this update and install this update on my M1 Mac, I'll be showing you how this works with the games and all apps of iPhone. And then there is the Photos app update. So Apple Pro RAW photos can be edited in the Photos app. So that's a nice thing. If you got an iPhone 12 Pro Max or 12 Pro, you can now edit the Apple Pro RAW photos from the Photos app on the Mac. That's cool. Okay, so in the Safari we've got the Ecosia search engine option. So there we go. Now air quality available in maps. Okay, that's super nice, but it is only available in China mainland. Hopefully it will come soon for all the countries. Health recommendations are provided for Syria in United States, United Kingdom, Germany, India. Okay, that's nice. India is being included now. That's super cool. Okay, then there's this release also addresses the following issues. QuickTime Player might quit while opening a movie or with a timecode tracker or stuff in macOS Catalina. That's new. Okay, Bluetooth connection status was not displaying in control center. Okay, one thing that I had to tell you is Bluetooth is facing some issues. I have not yet faced any sort of issues, but I've read onto the internet that there are many people who are facing the Bluetooth issues on the M1 Mac. Okay, so hopefully that will be solved in this update. That's nice. Okay, so reliability of unlocking your Mac automatically with your Apple Watch. Okay, cool. Trackpad scrolling speeds may be faster than expected on MacBook Pro models. Okay, cool. LG ultrafine 5K display may incorrectly display at 4K resolution on Macs with M1. Okay, fine. And that's it. So this is a nice update. We've also got update for the command lines tools for Xcode 12.3. The command line tools enable Unix style development via terminal by installing command line developer tools as well as macOS SDK firmware. So this is the whole update system which has just arrived to me literally right now, and I am making the video. You can see the date and time right here. As soon as the update has been received by me, I have created this video. So hopefully I have addressed the exciting features that you want from this Big Sur update, and if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. Hope to see you next time. Until then, bye bye.